Welcome to Cricknuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Under the glistening lights of New Jersey Hub, the Das Giants clashed with Crickmax Rangers in a drama-packed under-15 encounter. The stage was set for a riveting battle, the air thick with anticipation.
Indeed, Isha, the stage was set for young gladiators to etch their mark. With the toss won, Rangers' decision to bowl first added an extra layer of excitement to this youthful joust.
Rangers' decision to harness the early conditions bore the fruit of control, but Giants' resilience painted a picture of determination. A tale spun with willow and leather, leading to a Duckworth-Lewis finessed climax.
As the clouds gathered, so did the intensity. Giants built a foundation despite the Rangers' storm. But the rain gods had their say, bringing forth Duckworth-Lewis dynamo. Rangers' rain-adjusted chase clinches victory.
Giants' innings was a woven tapestry of grit and grace, with Kondapalli standing tall amidst the ruins, while Pradhan carved out a well-fought 50. Their alliance of 108 runs laid the bedrock of Giants' fortress.
Rangers bowlers, like disciplined sentinels, marshalled their forces, with Ramchandani's precision yielding frugal figures. The innings, peppered with 36 extras, showed a blend of youthful exuberance and learning curves.
The Rangers embarked on a truncated voyage, navigating through Giants' bowling turbulence. Kulkarni and Ghurday's partnership proved to be the beacon in their rain-adjusted quest.
Pradhan, the giant with the ball, emerged as a slingshot warrior, commanding respect with 3 crucial breakthroughs. The inning, though shortened, brimmed with nerve-wracking excitement.
Shreyans Kondapalli, undaunted and not out, wielded his blade for a valiant 62, while Vishwajit Pradhan's dual role carved the match's spine. Arman Singh Tiwana's economical spell painted him as a future maestro.
Absolutely, Isha, Kondapalli's anchor role was pivotal, but Pradhan's all-round prowess, especially that stingy spell of 3 for 13, almost turned the tides, making him an architect of intrigue.
Rangers emerged victorious by 7 wickets, a triumph etched by the hands of Duckworth-Lewis. Factors like the hefty sum of extras and Pradhan's valiant stand gave way to a rain-altered fate.
A victory that will be savoured, not just for the result, but for the adaptability Rangers showed. Giants might reflect on what could have been in clear skies, but today Rangers take the plaudits. History will remember this as a clash where cricket's future stars shone, lighting up New Jersey with the promise of more to come. A match that tells a story of talent, adaptability, and the joys of youth cricket.
Indeed, a memorable chapter concludes in the annals of youth cricket with a radiant display of potential. The Giants may stand tall another day, but tonight it is the Rangers who dance in the rain's blessing.